Hi guys, it's Miss Purdy. I'm just going to show you how to get into Read Theory, which is a new program we're going to be using for reading. So on your classroom page here, it says to watch the video, which you're doing now. And then it says click on the login window, that's here. When you click on it, you're going to get to the login page of Read Theory, and you're going to put in your username. I sent you your username and password in your DSBN email yesterday. So if you didn't get it, pause the video and go get it now. So I've made a fake account for my cat so I can show you how to get in. So her username is Lizzie P, and then her password, top secret. All right, and log in. Okay, do we want to save the password? Yeah, I will, sure. You might get something different. All right, so to start, they give you kind of a little test. It's about 20 minutes long at the very most. They're going to give you some reading passages and ask you questions. It's important you do this on your own because it's going to start at a certain level, and then if you get things wrong, it'll give you easier and easier and easier reading. If you get a lot right, it's going to give you more difficult. So you must complete this independently, as it says. Okay, so when you're ready, you've had a washroom break because you can't take a break in the middle, you're going to click I'm ready. So you're going to read this little passage here. You can change the font size. Oh, maybe you can't, never mind. Okay, so you're going to read this, all right, independently. If you can't read it all independently, that's fine. You just won't be able to answer this, and then it will know to go to an easier one. So then there's a question over here, and this tells you how many questions there will be. So I'm going to, I didn't even read it, so I'm randomly going to pick one to see what happens. Okay. All right. Obviously I got it wrong because now you can see it's gone to grade 2. Don't worry about the grade levels, okay? It doesn't mean you're grade 2 level. All right. So then you're going to read this passage. Then you're going to read the question, which of these words is opposite in meaning to the word stable as used in the passage. Sometimes there'll be this thing called highlight text, and it will show you where that word is. So it's talking about ladders, being stable. The opposite of stable is that it's, okay, I know this isn't it, but I'm going to pretend it's damaged. I'm going to get it wrong on purpose to show you that it's going to give me a shorter and an easier passage, okay? If you continue to read and you get them right, it will go up. So it's going to ask you this many questions. I think there's like 8. And then at the end, it's going to give you a level, all right? Once you get to the end of this, you don't have to do anything else today. I just want to know your initial level to start, okay? Hopefully that makes sense. Again, it probably takes you about 20 minutes. Please don't get help from older siblings or parents because then it's going to think you're a really high reader and give you hard reading passages. I want this to be at your level. Nobody else can see your level except me and you. Okay? Thanks, guys.